Right, despite my mess, we're still going. The next stage of our meal is we're doing oven-baked corn cobs in garlic butter. Now, normally I'd prefer to make my own just out of butter and, minced garlic. But this is all we've got today, so nice and simple. We're going to throw a layer of garlic butter down the bottom, line our corn cobs up, and then smear the butter on top, cover it and bake it as well. And we're just softening that garlic butter for about 30 seconds in the microwave just to make it a bit easier to spread. Shloop, shloop, lovely. Alright, so we've got our liquid garlic butter. Let's give it a bit of a mix through. Now, I think what we'll do is we'll just... Alright, so we've got our little corn cobettes in here. Now, I was just going to leave chunks of garlic butter in there, but I think what we'll do is we'll just drizzle over the whole lot like that. And that is looking quite tasty. Alright, so all we're going to do is we'll give them a roll around in the garlic, get a nice decent coat of garlic butter on each and every piece. Alright, now that is looking really tasty. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and cover this one in foil, and we'll stick it straight in the oven after the cauliflower and broccoli bake. But this one, after about 10 minutes, we'll take it out and we'll just turn them over. What we're after is our corn. Alright, so all we're doing here is just turning the corn over. Get a nice coat of garlic over there. Now, 15 minutes, that's barely hot. So I think we'll cover it back up and we'll crack the temperature up a little bit. Alright, it's starting to look pretty good now. There's a lovely sounding sizzle as we roll them up in that butter. Alright. Just lightly cover them back up.